Oh, it's wine delivery? I'll be right out. Hey, I'm Katelyn O'Friel, and if you know me, you know that I'm beyond obsessed with old Hollywood. Black and white movies just soothe my soul, and I honestly can't get enough of them. I also really like wine, so when I found out that Turner Classic Movies had a wine club, I knew that I needed to be a part of it. So TCM has paired up with Laithwaites Wines to create a wine subscription box where every 3 months you get 12 bottles of wine, and 3 of those bottles are going to be old Hollywood themed. And they also give you a list of movies to watch with the wine. Every now and then they'll have like special offers for members. During the holidays they have really fun holiday themed wines. So they'll have like White Christmas or Bing Crosby, and it's just super fun. For the summer, I actually received this in the mail stating that all 12 bottles in the box will be Hollywood movie themed. So I was super excited and I needed to get this. You can also do all whites, you can do all reds, or you can do a mix. I prefer red wine all year round, so I always usually go with the red. I could ramble on for hours about Turner Classic Movies and just old movies and old Hollywood in general, but let's get right into the video and just show you some of the wines that were in this specific box that I got. We have over here Robert Mitchum, which is Classic Noir. And this one is a Pinot Noir, which kind of is fitting. And then we have the lovely Bette Davis. Each bottle will come with like a nice little inscription on the back about the wine and about the character or actor, or whoever it is that's on the bottle. Next we have a Malbec, which is a Trip to the Moon. I'm super excited to try this. Malbec is a great wine. I feel like it's always a safe bet. It's the perfect medium. It's not too sweet, not too dry. So I feel like this is going to be a good one. Lana Turner. And then we have this TCM Backlot bottle, which I'm super excited about because before quarantine, I was actually looking into becoming a member of the TCM Backlot, but it's really based in LA and I'm here in New York City, so it doesn't really make sense for me to join, but I kind of want to join. So to have a little piece of TCM Backlot, I think is kind of just doing the job for now, at least until I can get to California. So then we have the beautiful Jean Harlow here. I'm so excited for this. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh my God, the back. Before Turner, before Monroe, before Mansfield, there was Jean Harlow, the original blonde bombshell. From her breakout role in 1930s Hell's Angels at just 26 years of age, this Golden Girl tantalized moviegoers with her revealing costumes and memorable one-liners. So this wine is actually, it says that it's suitably sweet-natured, unassuming, and this wine pays tribute to her and her personality. So, I don't know, I just love it. It's the best. We have the Four Marx Brothers here, which is a nice little fun Merlot. It says, the Marx Brothers have kept audiences laughing for over a century. And like a fine wine, they only get better with age. Box came with this really cool poster. Use it as home decor. At least I like to collect the bottles because I think they're really nice conversational pieces to display, and then when people come over, it's just like you start a nice little conversation about the bottle and can go into depth about movies, and and just their character or that actress or that movie or whatever it is, it's literally the best. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to either join the TCM Wine Club as well or just watch an old movie. I had a lot of fun making it, so thank you so much for your time. If you think you'd want to subscribe, the button's right down there or wherever it is. I'd really appreciate it. See you again. You know when you're a little kid and you and your friends create clubs and you think you're so cool because you have like this secret handshake and there's a password to get in and you're a part of this like really exclusive club that no one else can be a part of unless they know the password and stuff? Yeah, I don't know. I remember being a little kid and doing that, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. And when I found out about this wine club, I felt like a little kid again. I felt like I was a part of a really cool club that no one else was allowed to be in unless they were as cool as I am. And if you like TCM and you're a part of this wine club, you're cool. Hello? Sorry, wrong number. Mom, I gotta go. Dial M for Murder's on. Okay, bye.